Hey guys, just got a delivery from my buddy over at Yotto Overland with a bunch of Raptorized goodies. So let's get the box open and see what we're working on today. These are the Yotto Overland Raptorized Hood Vents. These are true OEM hood vents that have been refinished in a tough Raptor lining. Not only do these look cool with the texture, but they won't fade in the sun like your stock vents. So let's jump over to the shop and get these installed. First, you'll need to open up your hood. Next, remove the plastic clips that hold your hood heat shield in place. Careful with these as they may be brittle if they're older. Now we can remove the heat shield. With that out of the way, we're ready to remove our hood vents. There are 3 clips on each side. Just decompress the clips and lift the vent out of place. Check out how much better these new ones look. Okay, so to get these installed, just line them up and clip them into place. Onto the passenger side. Unclip the stock vent from the hood and snap our new Raptorized vent in place. Now we can reinstall the heat shield and the many clips, or at least the ones that I didn't break. And close the hood to take a look at our work. Wow, do these look good. And they match the rest of the Raptorized accessories on the Jeep too. Grab yours at the link below and save 10% on your order. As always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.